Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today I'm going to be showing you just some of the parts, which there's a lot more parts than this, which will be on the photographs in the next couple of days. But these pieces here have all been flatted and they're now ready to be polished up. I'm going to give you a quick show and tell of how I do that. Normally we have the extractors on, so it's really noisy. I've got to turn the polish on, so that's noisy enough. Just for this video, I'm not going to be turning the extractor on. I have got my protective guard on there, so I'll start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply two different waxes, a hard wax and a soft wax. Two different mops, one's hard, one's soft. Going to get a little bit noisy now, and then I'll just polish the piece of wood and show you what it's like. Thank you very much. Piece of wood. You can see that it's all nice and dull, and you maybe have seen our videos already on different jobs, but you haven't seen me do this job, so I'll start to polish this. Okay, there you can see finished result. It's warm to the touch, has the heat, helps to polish the shine up with the static. So you can see there how shiny that is. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. This is a Bentley S1 set. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye.